All right, for this problem, it tells us that we have an x value that is equal to 5, and what it wants us to find is this f plus g of 5. Now it's giving us two functions here. We have function f and function g, and they're just given by lists of ordered pairs. So we're going to be able to use those to find this value. So remember that f plus g of 5 means really f of 5 plus g of 5. And with this notation, when you see f of 5, this is really telling you my x value is 5. So I'm going to go to my f function. Here's my f function. And I want to see when there's an x value of 5. Here's an x value of 5. So it has a 7 as its output. So this means that f of 5, this guy right here, is really equal to a 7, because that's what you get when you input a 5. Now we're going to do the same thing, but look at g, because again it says we're adding these two things together. So we're going to look at g, again looking when the input is 5, and so I'm going to go over to g. When my input is 5, my output is 2. So then g of 5 is actually equal to a 2. So then the answer to this question is going to be 7 plus 2, which is 9.